This is my digital twin. It looks like me, talks like me, and even moves like me.
It's really well, that's my AI twin. Now, I know you're busy, so I'm not going to waste your time. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can create your own realistic AI avatar using HeyGen in under 10 minutes. And here's why this matters for your business. This technology allows you to completely automate your content creation. I started doing this a few months ago, and the results have been incredible. The biggest perk is you unlock an entirely new way to scale your marketing and your brand on autopilot, so you can spend more time doing what actually grows your business. Hi there, I'm Krista Mashore, top 1% coach, multi-8-figure business owner. Now, before we dive in, if you're a business professional or entrepreneur who wants the software to clone yourself, then in the description below this is a link that you can actually sign up with HeyGen. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, you're gonna want to set up your HeyGen account. So you're gonna head over to HeyGen's website at heygen.com and you're gonna sign in. If you don't have an account yet, the great news is you can get started on their free plan. Again, I'll drop a link in the description below. Okay, once you're logged in, you're gonna click on Avatar. Then you're gonna click Create New, and you're gonna see two options: start from a video or start from a photo. I'm gonna walk you through both because both have real value depending on how you wanna use them. Step 2, I wanna create your avatar. Let's start with the video options first. This one produces the most realistic results. Here are a few tips to get the best results when filming your video. Record a 2 to 5 minute video. I've tested all lengths and anything over 2 minutes works really well. Make sure you have good lighting and a clean background. Think of it like you're filming a professional YouTube video or a client-facing presentation. You're gonna wanna speak in a neutral and clear tone. Good audio is non-negotiable here. If you're not using a quality microphone, invest in one. It makes a huge difference. Use natural hand movements. This is what makes your avatar look engaging and lifelike. And make sure to pause between sentences. Don't rush. The AI analyzes your pauses, so this helps replicate your speech more accurately. You can record via webcam, record on your phone. For the best quality, upload your own pre-recorded footage. You also have a few enhancement options: background noise removal, AI background removal. This is great if you want a green screen effect, and 4K resolution. Choose what works best for your setup. So make sure you use 4K resolution. I highly recommend you only use 4K because it gives the best quality output. If it's your first time, you're gonna verify your identity with a quick second video. This is just to make sure that no one creates avatars of other people. Then submit and let it process. Now step 3, you're gonna wanna create your photo avatar while your video avatar is generating. Let's create the photo version. Go back to avatars, click Create New, then start from a photo. You're gonna upload a clean professional photo of yourself. Think like headshot quality. Click upload, and within moments, your photo avatar is ready. It is seriously that simple. So now let's go to step 4. Select your avatar and click Create with AI Studio. This opens the editor where you have 2 ways to bring your avatar to life. Option number 1 is text. Just type what you want your avatar to say. HeyGen will use your voice sample to clone and replicate your voice. This is great for quick content creation. Option 2 is audio. You're gonna upload your own recorded audio. I personally prefer this option because it gives you the most authentic, natural result, especially important when you're building a brand and your audience needs to trust you. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to clone yourself and your voice using 11 labs. So in the description, you can find that video link or watch the next video. So step 5, you're gonna customize your avatar video. Inside the editor, you can customize your background, your layout, and border. You can remove your background entirely and add a branded image or color, which is perfect for keeping your content consistent with your business brand. The most important setting here is your avatar model. Avatar 4 produces the most realistic results. The unlimited version is slightly lower quality, but gives you unlimited usage on your plan. You also have access to an additional AI features like script writing and video generation, all inside HeyGen. Plus, you can add captions and music as well. You can finish your editing right inside the platform or export and edit in your preferred video editor. Now, step 6, the language feature. Here's the feature that I think is the most powerful for business professionals, especially if you serve diverse markets or want to expand your reach globally. Here's what you do. Any language that you want. Let's say French. And HeyGen will translate your script and apply a matching voice in the exact language that you prefer. Your avatar will deliver your message in an entirely different language without you recording a single extra second of footage. Think about what that means for your business. One video, multiple markets, zero extra recording time. So here's what the final product looks like.
Imagine showing up everywhere online without being everywhere. That's the power of an AI avatar. It speaks for you, shares your message, and works 24/7. You save time, stay consistent, and reach more people. It's not replacing you, it's multiplying you. That's how smart businesses grow today. Imagine apparaître partout en ligne sans être partout. C'est la puissance d'un avatar IA. Il parle pour vous, partage votre message et travaille 24/7. Vous gagnez du temps, restez cohérent et atteignez plus de personnes.
The video avatar with my own audio using Avatar 4 is incredibly realistic. The photo avatar is also impressive. Both are polished and ready to represent your brand. This technology is no longer just for tech companies or influencers or people who are really good with technology. This is how you scale your marketing without burning out. You record once and your AI twin does the rest. And now a message from my AI avatar.
If you found this helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe. I drop new content every week on how to use AI to grow your business, to generate more leads, and to build the brand that you've been working toward.
Click on the next video to see how you can actually use 11 labs to clone your voice. That one is going to blow your mind. Go ahead and click the next video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you there.
Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.